What is up everybody, Golden Holden here, and today we're going to be unboxing this add-on dip kit. Alright, let's get started by opening this up. Alright, let's take this out of the box. So this is our package that we get. Let's open it up. When we first slide it out, we have our list of all the stuff that comes in the box. And then the tray itself, the dip kit. We have a bag of our accessories and the 3 solutions that come in the box. These solutions include the ElectroClean, the Surface Activator, and a 24K Bright Gold solution. In the bag of accessories, we have a test plating piece, our stainless steel anodes, and a bag with a clip rack and some copper wire. You can also purchase different anodes and different solutions on our website for this kit if needed. Just as a note, the universal plater does not come in with this kit. This kit is designed for the universal plater, and you will need a universal plater to set this all up. This kit does come with 6 8-ounce beakers, and these are for your solutions, and this is for your rinse water. To set this up, you will get your stainless steel anodes. Then you will plug in your machine and turn it on. Now that we got the universal all plugged in and turned on, you can see that this kit is designed to fit up against the universal plater. So you can do some bath plating on some small items, and it's still your universal plater, so you can plug in your handles and do some brush plating on top of it. This is a cost-friendly solution to bath plating, so you don't have to get a big machine to do small bath plating. If you're interested in purchasing this add-on kit, you can go to our website at goldplating.com, and if you have any questions, you can go there as well and contact us. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, you can go check out our YouTube and look at the Jewel Master and ProLab videos for bath plating. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.